Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, your Garmin needs location access for GPS routes and incident detection. Here is actually how to manage those permissions. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So I'm talking here about how to actually manage location permissions in Garmin Connect app in 2026, whether you are using the iOS or the Android version. It's totally alright. So what we're gonna do now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and open the Garmin Connect app. It's time now to log in using your email address and password, then tap on this three-dot menu or more. In the bottom right on iOS, three lines on Android is basically the same thing, just different shapes. We're gonna go and tap on settings, then go all the way tap on phone permissions. So as you see here, to use the full features of your Garmin device, we recommend allowing the following permissions on your phone: nearby devices, notifications allows Garmin Connect to send you notifications, calendar allows Garmin Connect to display calendar appointments on your device. You also have this camera, the call log, the contacts, location, and all of this option. So go all the way and pick location. It will show your current permission status. As for me, it's off. For you guys, turn it on. You can even tap manage permissions. This opens your phone system settings for Garmin Connect. So basically, if you can see it, go out, then go here, tap on info, then go all the way to permissions, and this is the phone permissions for this app. And that's it. You can manage basically permissions from the app or from your phone itself. It doesn't really matter. Same steps. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.